Welcome to the Studs Theater at Terra del Sol Country Club, located here in the northern part of the Villages. And this is the site of the best grilled hamburgers that you can buy in the Villages, Florida. I'm going to show you an open house that is very near to this country club. Stay tuned, friends. Now I'm leaving Terra del Sol Country Club. I'm turning right onto San Marino Drive, and I want to show you an open home that's located a stone's throw away. And there is the beautiful Terra del Sol Country Club and Golf Course. Looks to be in pristine condition. Beautiful day in the Villages. We have a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom designer home open and listed for sale for $329,000, and it's going to be located right here on the right side of the street. And that is the home right there. 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, designer home, 2-car garage, wood framed, 720 San Marino Drive, built in 1997. What do you say, friends? Let's go inside and take a look. Hello everyone, welcome. My name is Tim. Here I am, standing in the village of Palo Alto, and I'm going to bring you another open home tour video. We have a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom designer home, list price $329,000. There is no carpeting in this home. It is a wood framed home with vinyl siding, and it's located a stone's throw away from Terra del Sol Country Club. And if you watch my YouTube videos, you know that Terra del Sol, in my opinion, serves the best grilled hamburgers of all the country clubs in the Villages. What do you say, friends? We go inside and take a look. There it is, friends. That roof is approximately 5 years old. It is a wood-framed home. You can see the landscaping is in excellent condition. HVAC is about 1 year old, and the hot water heater is about 2 years old. I am standing in the village of Palo Alto. You can see the mature landscaping. This is in the northern part of the Villages. It is slightly north of County Road 466. It's closer to the Morse Boulevard side than it is on the Buena Vista side. I will pan the street. The back of the home does face northeast, and I will pan that way. That is facing east, and that is the Terra del Sol Championship Golf Course. I will pan west, and if you drive down that street a little ways, you will get to Morse Boulevard. Let's walk in this home and take a look. First thing I notice is the painted concrete driveway. The landscaping is maintained meticulously. It has a Robolini palm tree in the front of the home. It has sliding screen doors on a 2-car garage. And as always, friends, if you have any questions about this home, you will need to contact the listing agent, William Peck, at Coldwell Banker Realty. This home is in excellent condition. It also has an enclosed front entry area. It has screen doors. And I do recommend, if you watch my videos, I do recommend if you do have a patio in the front of the home that you screen it in. That will minimize the amount of insects that go inside and create nests. And that is a look at that roof. And that roof is around 5 years old. What do you say, friends? We go inside and take a look. Here I am in the front patio area. It does have painted concrete floor. has 2 entry doors into a very large and spacious living room space. It does have luxury vinyl flooring. Off to the left, you do have a guest quarters. You have a guest bedroom in the front of the home. This is a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom home, and that is a guest bathroom. Very large linen closet. Actually, it is a laundry space behind the bifold doors. That bathroom looks very nice. Upgraded shower. It has frameless glass panels on that shower. It has tile floors. Formica countertops. It has, I believe that's a solar tube and a fan. Let's take a closer look at the shower space. Tile shower. That is awesome. Very large shower. Very large shower. I love the tile work. Let's take a look at the vanity. That is your vanity right there. It does have a medicine cabinet. This home does have acoustic texture ceilings, and this is the bedroom in the front of the home. You see that luxury vinyl in the front bedroom as well. It does have bifold doors on the closet. Let's take a look at what that closet looks like. That is your closet space. Has wire rack shelves in it. Let's take a look at the rest of this home. You do have a very spacious, I do like the architecture in this home. Very high ceilings. It must be at least 10 or 12 foot ceilings. You do have a closet in the front entry area. Bifold doors. I know a lot of my subscribers do like a coat closet, and then you have a door that leads out into the garage. It is a 2-car garage. It does have that vinyl / plastic floor. It's very popular to put in. It does save the concrete, and you do see it has sliding screen doors on the garage. Very popular. I do like those. I even have those on my home. It has a water heater. That water heater was replaced about 2 years ago. HVAC 1 year ago. It's a Train HVAC system. That door will lead into the kitchen space. Let's take a walk back into the home. You do see it has lots of cabinet space in this garage. I do like these cabinets. Almost the entire wall has cabinets. I'll back up and give you a better angle of what that looks like. Let's continue the journey through this home. It is list price for $329,000, 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom home. And this is the showstopper right here. It looks like it has a solar tube in the middle, acoustic textured ceiling, dining space off to the right. This room looks really large, and I will like to give you the dimensions of this space. If it is on the spec sheet, I do not see the dimensions. Call your listing agent, Mr. William Peck at Coldwell Banker, if you have any questions about this home, but this room is really large. Do like the texture. It has blinds on it as well. This is another angle. This room is huge. This home is 1,613 square feet. It was built in 1997. Off to this side of the home, it is a 2-bedroom home. This is the primary bedroom. It has that vinyl plank flooring, very high acoustic textured ceilings. You do have 2 closets in this home, I believe. Yes, you have a closet off to the left and off to the right. It has sliding raised panel doors in the closet. Lots of shelving in that closet. That is a closet on the opposite side of the hallway. Very nice. You do have tile floors in that primary bathroom. That is a solid surface on the vanity as well. Let's take a look at, it does have a transom window above the commode as well. Very high ceilings. Very large shower. That appears to be at least a 48-inch shower. Let's better look at your vanity. It is a plastic or fiberglass shower. It does have seats in it. $329,000. For this 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom, it is 1 block to Terra del Sol Country Club. It is a La Costa model designer home. Raised panel doors. This is your dining space. We will take a walk back out into the kitchen area shortly. Let's walk into that kitchen area, and it has tile floors. It also has a kitchenette area. You put a kitchen table there. Dine-in kitchen, rare to find nowadays. It has solid surface countertops. Those are granite countertops. White cabinets. Appliances look fairly new. It has an electric stove. 2-bowl stainless sink. Stainless dishwasher as well. And that door will lead out into the garage. It does have a pantry area. Some of my subscribers would want to see what the shelves look like in the pantry. And this is a view back into a Florida room. And that is another adder for this home, is that they converted their lanai into a Florida room. Let's take a video of the specification sheet. And this home is located at 720 San Marino Drive. List price $329,000. Please see William Peck if you have any questions. He's the listing agent. It is 1,613 square feet. No bond. It's a La Costa model. It's 1 block to Terra del Sol Country Club. The roof was put on about 5 years ago. Water heater 2 years ago. HVAC about 1 year ago. Let's take a look at the rest of the spec sheet. And this is the Florida room. It has tile floors. And it does have a HVAC duct in the roof. The back of the home faces west. And you should ask your listing agent if these windows are plastic or plexiglass or if they're glass. Let's take a walk to the back of the home. This is the backyard. And there is that new HVAC unit. It's actually an AC unit. It's about 1 year old. This is the back of the home. This is the Train AC unit. This is the side yard. I am going to go to the corner. That is the side of the home. You got the stone landscaping. And you can see that roof, 5 years old. It does have gutters and downspouts. And it is located very near Terra del Sol Country Club and Golf Course. Let's take a walk back into this home. Walking back into the kitchen space. Do like the architecture. It's an electric stove. And let's walk back out to the street and finish this video off. And this home is list price for $329,000. I do like the front screened in porch area. That's one last look at the roof. Home seems to be in really good condition to me. And there is the country club. That is the golf course right there. So that is your video for today. We have a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom La Costa model designer home located here near Terra del Sol for $329,000. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate it. Feel free to share these videos with anyone who feels interested in the content. Have a great day. Take care. Stay safe, everyone.